Hey there, AI enthusiasts and passive income seekers. Welcome back to AI Cashflow Lab. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing opportunity that could have you earning $500 a week without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because I am about to show you how to turn your voice into a money-making machine using 11 Labs Voice AI. No filming, no voice acting skills required, just your unique voice and a bit of tech savvy. Ready to unlock the secrets of passive voice income? Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what's this passive voice income all about? Well, let me break it down for you. 11 Labs has this incredible voice library where you can clone your voice, upload it, and earn royalties every time someone uses it. It's like having a digital twin of your voice working around the clock to make you money. Don't believe me? Just ask the Reddit user who pocketed $200 in a single month from voice cloning. That's real cash, folks, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's jump into step 1, creating a high-quality voice clone. First things first, you'll need to subscribe to the creator plan, which runs about $22 a month. Don't worry, you can always downgrade later, but you'll want to do your recording while you've got access to the higher tier. Now, here's the secret sauce. You'll want to record to 3 hours of clean, expressive audio. We're talking crystal clear, no background noise, and a consistent tone throughout. The minimum is 30 minutes, but remember, the more quality content you provide, the higher your earning potential. Moving on to step 2, uploading, publishing, and tagging your voice. This is where the magic happens. I'll walk you through the process of uploading your voice to the voice library, verifying it with a voice captcha, and making sure you toggle that all-important discoverable option. Don't forget to set your usage rate. This is how you'll control your earnings. Now, let's talk SEO. You'll want to add tags that describe your accent, tone, and intended use. Think like a voice seeker. What would they search for? Oh, and here's a pro tip. Apply for that HQ badge. It could boost your earnings and even let you set a custom rate up to about 20 cents per 1,000 characters. Alright, we're at step 3, driving usage and passive earnings. Let's talk numbers. The base payout is around 3 cents per 1,000 generated characters. That's about 90 seconds of speech. Now, to really see those earnings climb, you've got to promote your voice. Share preview clips on Fiverr, Reddit, Discord, even create YouTube tutorials showcasing your voice. The more visibility you get, the more usage you'll see, and those royalties will start rolling in. Remember that Redditor I mentioned earlier? They hit $200 plus without even pushing hard on promotion. Imagine what you could do with a solid strategy. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about using your voice to create additional content. Once you've got your voice clone, the possibilities are endless. You could generate audiobooks, narrate YouTube videos, create content for TikTok or Instagram Reels, even do podcast intros. Each platform has its own monetization system, whether it's royalties, ad income, or client gigs. Here's a killer strategy. Record public domain books, convert them using 11 Labs, and publish them on Audible, Google Play, and Cabo. You're leveraging existing content and multiple platforms to scale your passive income. It's like having your voice work for you in stereo. Now, let's talk scaling strategies. Why stop at one voice? Clone multiple voices with different accents, tones, or character types. Each voice can earn separately, and some creators even set up different accounts for their various clones. Keep a close eye on your daily analytics through the 11 Labs dashboard. This will help you track usage and optimize your tags and previews for better performance. And here's a hot tip. Niche voices are where it's at. Think cartoon characters, regional dialects, spooky narrators for horror content, or soothing voices for meditation apps. The more unique your voice, the more traction you're likely to get. I know you've got questions, so let's tackle some facts. Is this truly passive income? Absolutely. Once your voice is uploaded and approved, it keeps earning while you sleep. Do you need to stay on the creator tier? No, you can downgrade to the starter plan at $5 a month and still earn those sweet royalties. The creator tier is only needed for the initial cloning process. And the big question, how much can you realistically make? Well, we've seen creators go from £164 to £451 a month, and some superstars are hitting £3,000 a month with audiobooks or multiple voices. The sky's the limit. Let me drop some pro tips for growth and optimization. First, prioritize sound clarity. Find a quiet, consistent recording environment and keep that upbeat style going. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to craft engaging bios and voice descriptions. Let AI help you sell your AI-powered voice. Do and forget to snag that 11 Labs HQ badge and use descriptive tags to boost your SEO discoverability. And if a voice isn't performing well, don't be afraid to re-record or pivot. Iteration is key in this game. Alright, AI Cashflow Lab fam, we've covered a lot of ground today. If you want the full step-by-step blueprint, make sure to check out my latest AI Paycheck podcast episode. The link is in the description below. And hey, if you found this video helpful and want more passive income AI tutorials, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Cashflow Lab, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future money-making strategies. Remember, in this new AI-powered world, your voice isn't just for talking, it's a valuable asset that can generate passive income while you focus on living your best life. Let AI do the talking and let your bank account do the growing. It's time to get started on your voice AI journey. Until next time, this is AI Cashflow Lab, signing off and wishing you all the passive income success in the world.